how to make sure your divorce agreement covers all key issues. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Your divorce agreement is more than just paperwork, it's the foundation for how you and your ex will move forward. Let's talk about how to make sure your agreement covers everything it needs to so there are no surprises later. A complete divorce agreement should address property division, debts, spousal support, custody and visitation if you have kids, and child support. But beyond the basics, it should also include timelines, responsibilities, and what happens if something changes. One common mistake is leaving things vague, like who pays for what or how a refinance or property transfer will happen. The more detailed and specific your agreement is, the fewer problems you'll run into later. We had a client who came to us after their original agreement, done elsewhere, left out key issues like how to handle tax filings and retirement account transfers. We helped them file a corrected judgment before it became a bigger problem. At Divorce 661, we walk you through every section of the agreement, making sure your settlement is fair, enforceable, and court-approved. We use clear, plain English, not legal jargon, so both parties know exactly what they're agreeing to. And we don't just stop at what the court requires. We go further, covering real-world situations like parenting exchanges, who claims the kids on taxes, and backup plans if a deadline isn't met. If you want to make sure your divorce agreement is done right and covers all the key issues, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you build a solid, stress-free foundation for life after divorce.